Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to do some worksheets. These exercises show what to do. Exercise 1, fill in the blanks. You have to do it yourself. All the lesson is already learned and the notes are also prepared. So many texts are given. So many answers are given. Now you have to write it down. Once I am reading this all, the main steps of nutrition in humans. One separate video was for that. 5 steps are there in nutrition. You have to write after listening the video. Second, the largest gland in the human body. In between the video, I told you which is the largest gland in human body. The stomach releases hydrochloric acid and dash juices which act on food. Hydrochloric acid and dash juices which act on food. Stomach releases hydrochloric acid and what? The inner wall of the small intestine has many finger-like outgrowth called dash. Inner walls of the small intestine has many finger-like outgrowths called villi. I think I did not mention this one, so I am telling the answer here. In the video it is not there, so I am telling the answer here. Here the answer is villi. Here VILLI, villi. Next, amoeba digests its food in the dash. Amoeba digests its food in the video I told you where amoeba digests its food inside the cell. So write it down after listening the video. One answer was there, was not in the video. I think it was not there. So I help you to answer that. All others are clearly mentioned in the video, so there is no need to tell. The second one is make whether the statement is true or false. True or false. Mark T for true statements and false for false statements. Digestion of starch starts. This one, avoid this. If the statement is true and false, then write true or false. That is only mentioned here. You write the first one. Read it. Digestion of starch starts in the stomach. Where does digestion starts in our alimentary canal? It is also told in the video. Discussed. Already it is discussed in the video. And all these questions are given according to the video given to you. Digestion starts in the stomach. It is written here true or false. You have to write it. The tongue helps in mixing food with the saliva. True or false? The gallbladder temporarily stores bile. In gallbladder, bile is stored. Gallbladder. The ruminants bring back swallowed grass into their mouth. The ruminants bring back the swallowed grass into their mouth. True or false? Then the next video sorry, next worksheet, next video, next worksheet. Match the items of column 1 with those in the column 2. Match the items of column 1 with those given in column 2. Food components, product of digestion. So this one you match along with me. I am saying the answer. And you also have some idea. Now you see that which food component converted into which simple units. So these food components, carbohydrate, protein and fat. These food components, carbohydrate, protein and fat, when digested will be simplified and form these simplified absorbable form. These are these units can be absorbed by the blood. So this cannot be absorbed. So these are digested and form this. Which one is the product of which food component? You have to match it. Food component, carbohydrate. So what is the simple form of carbohydrate? It is also said in the video, but I am saying the answer. Sugar. Carbohydrates are converted into sugar. And now protein. Protein is converted into amino acids. And now next one is fat. Fats are converted into fatty acid and glycerol. So these three are converted into these three simple form. Carbohydrate into sugar, proteins converted into amino acids, and fat converted into fatty acid and glycerol. So these are the simple one objective questions. Now what are villi? Just now I told you there are finger-like projections in the small intestine which are called villi. Finger-like projections which help to increase the surface area of absorption in small intestine. What is it? Once again I repeat, the finger-like projections seen in the walls of small intestine to increase the surface area of absorption are called villi. Location, function, I told along with the answer. Location is in the walls of small intestine. Function is increasing surface area for absorption. Where is the bile produced? Which component of the food does it help to digest? Where is the bile produced? In the liver. Which component of the food does it help to digest? Fat. Name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants. Name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. It is cellulose. Give the reason also. Human being does not have the bacteria in their alimentary canal to digest cellulose. Animals, ruminants have some bacteria which help in the digestion of cellulose in their cecum. So they can digest cellulose but human beings cannot. Why do we get instant energy from glucose? Because glucose is a sugar. Glucose is the simplest sugar which can be absorbed directly into the blood. Glucose can be absorbed directly into the blood. It is in the simplest form. It should not be digested further. It can be absorbed directly. That is one. Which part of the digestive canal is involved in? Absorption of food? Tell me. This one you will write yourself. you will write yourself all these. Which part of the digestive canal is involved in absorption of food? Which part food absorption takes place in the dash? Chewing of food, you know. Killing of bacteria, that is also you know. Which part of the digestive system, which part of the digestive canal, killing of bacteria. Oh, sorry. And next, complete digestion of food take place. So this answer I am telling you. Complete digestion. This is also there in the video, but I am telling you once again. Complete digestion of food take place in the small intestine. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में डाइजेशन कंप्लीट होता है, उसके बाद एब्सॉर्प्शन होता है. नेक्स्ट, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ फीकस. Formation of fecal matter. Fecal matter means excreta, the solid waste product. Formation of fecal कहाँ पे होता है formation इसका waste product का? Large intestine में होता है. Large intestine. Write one similarity and one difference between the nutrition in amoeba and human being. You will write it. I will not have it. One similarity and one difference between the nutrition in amoeba and human being. You have to write the answer in one similarity in between the nutrition of amoeba and human being is. Then you write the answer. The second line you write one difference between the nutrition in amoeba and the human being. You observe it clearly. What is the similarity? What is the difference? Then you write. Your observation counts, so it will help you to learn also. You observe, you listen, and you analyze, then you write it yourself. Then learning will be in this way. Science have to learn in this way. All the answers are not given, all the answers are not provided by the teacher. You have to think, you have to assimilate, you have to analyze, you have to synthesize the answers. So all the best. Do this exercise. Tell me how many of you have done it, and use my WhatsApp number. Don't call me, please. Don't call me WhatsApp video calls. You can call me regular calls, but WhatsApp video calls cannot be attended every time. So do not call in WhatsApp video call. Always call in the mobile regular mobile number, so I can attend it. And you convey your answers, convey your diagrams, convey your things, homeworks, everything with the WhatsApp page. In your WhatsApp page you put it all. You show me that all. Then I can see you are doing exercises. So in class 7 there is a lot of syllabus. So many chapters are there. I have to confirm one by one that you are doing it. You are making a proper copy. So please, you must convey your work, how much it is finished, the status. You have to convey your status of work to me. So do it. Okay, all the best. Thank you.